Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a reaction video 5 months ago from Bunny Babiola. The title is okay, check natin. Ay, hindi ko siya makita. Raise Me Up. Ayan, so Raise Me Up. Wow, the nice cover song. And ngayon ko lang din po ito nakita, kaya gagawin ko na rin ng reaction dito sa aking channel, Raise Me Up. Meron po siyang kanta, hindi ko siya 5 months ago without further ado, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more update reaction. So let's go. Wow. So wow, it's a nice place.
And all my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit away with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong and I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
What a nice voice, very angelic voice, or angel voice. Very nice background and place. Wow, talagang binabagay ko sa kanta. Kung ano yung kantang medyo emotional,
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. tears me out to what can be.
Wow. Whew. Nakita ko yun, perfect. And very emotional, Bunny Babiola. Very cover song. Grabe guys, no? Bagay na bagay yung kanta sa kanya. Yung with angel voice, angelic voice, andun sa kanya lahat eh. And wow. And samahan pa ng magandang background, no? Yung nilikha ng ating Panginoon. Nakikita mo naman yung mountain and water, more trees, and perfect eh yung location, saka yung kanyang cover song. Wow. And I like performance, Bunny Babiola. It's a great singer, professional singer. Andun sa kanya lahat ang masabi natin na lucky singer and lucky basta sana yung babaeng napaka galing na kumanta, beautiful, diba? Tapos yung song ngayon very emotional for me, and kita naman may nagko-comment doon sa baba. So live talaga yung live premiere or basta live siya. And thank you so much for watching guys, and for all support. May cover song, may reaction video kay Bunny Babiola. And please don't forget to subscribe, please like and share. So God bless.